All of the team buildings, opportunities to go abroad, work remotely. Don't you think it's kind of what you want to do with your life, how you want to live this? But for everything comes price, right? And for living this dream, you need to pay the biggest price in your life. It's your lifetime. For becoming a junior developer, an average person spends a year for learning programming. And for some unlucky people, it's even harder. If you are a student and studying in college, school, or university, it's not a big deal for you. But for people who have families to feed or who just need money for some different reasons, it's difficult to compare their jobs with learning something new after the hard work day. You just want to get home from the office and just lay down on the bed and just fall asleep. So my point is, you need to understand that you will need a lot of time for learning all of that stuff. It's not gonna be like you're learning some stuff for a week and then getting offer from Google. It's more complicated than that. It doesn't work like that. But if you do that, I could say you want this game and you don't need me, I'm out. Study gradually. I would say it's the most important thing for becoming a developer, because you just need to study every day for 1 or 2 hours. At least it's minimum. But in average, I spent 2-4 hours for studying every day for like 9 months. I was studying just every day without any holidays, just every day. And I remember sometimes instead of going somewhere with my friends, I was just learning programming. It looks from another perspective really stupid, yeah, but you just need to practice every day, because a few times, yeah, as I remember, when I didn't study, like I wanted to chill for a few days, I just forgot everything that I learned in like a few or 3 weeks. So you just need to do it every day, no matter how many hours do you spend. Yeah, alright, it matters, yeah, but if you do it every day, it actually like doesn't matter.
What the fuck was that?
You just need to do it every day. No matter what happens, just do it. So I just told you about studying gradually, but there's a catch. You don't need to study too much. If you study too much, you will burn out, yeah. I hope you know that. Because if you would study for 10-12 hours a day every day, you could study like that for 2 months and then just say, alright, fuck it, I gonna be a delivery boy, see you never. And one more thing that you should remember, because if you're just starting, yeah, you're hoping to find some courses, but there are no courses that will make you a developer. The courses will give you all of that information from the whole internet, because all of that stuff that you can learn in the courses, you have access to all of that stuff in the internet. They just take all of that information, combine it, and just give you for some money. But that's not gonna make you a programmer. You could have some certificate, yes, that you finish some courses in Google or Microsoft, I don't know, it doesn't matter actually, because you need to understand how all of that working. You cannot just pay someone to teach you need to study by yourself. Because being a programmer meaning that you need to study everything by yourself. And the most important thing after studying gradually, you need to know how to Google. You just need to know how to Google some issue, because it's 100% true when you're coding something, you have some issues, and in most cases you just don't know how to fix it, and you need to Google something on Medium or Stack Overflow and find the answer in there. And it takes time. Yeah, it takes time for learning all of that, how to Google correctly. You need to learn how to Google, because using some titles like error, Node.js, TypeScript, please help won't help you. You need to Google some specific issues that you want to fix. You cannot just fix everything by only Googling one thing. Also, for becoming a programming, yeah, it's not a secret, you need to practice it. You can just watch some tutorials and then say, oh, now I know how to do that. Yeah, you could know how to do that, but you had no experience with that. You don't know how is it really working right now when you're writing it by yourself, you could just see this guy did it. But when you try the same thing, you write just the same code samples and you're just running it and it basically doesn't work, and you're just like, what the fuck, how do I fix that? I did just the same like he did, so why isn't it working? And this happens really always, I would say always, for me at least. Yeah, I watch a lot of videos, I try to do the same projects. By videos I mean I just watch a video and the guy was doing like to-do list, yeah, and I was doing just the same, just watching, press pause and then write the same code snippets and then just doing the same thing. And then he's running his application, it's all working, I'm running my application and I have like 10,000 errors and it's kind of sucks, yeah. So you'll need to know how to fix all of that errors, and for that you just need to Google them and try to find a solution for your problems, because an issue for developer, it's kind of daily thing. You just write a code, you have some issues, it's nothing special, like errors, it's alright. And I don't know, I would be really scared if I would write some code for like 200 lines and everything would work. I would be scared because like, why is it working? Like, where's the errors? I didn't see them. What's wrong? What did I miss? And also, when you have no experience, you need to do some pet projects. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. You need to practice and you need to do some pet projects like, I don't know, if you want to be a front-end developer, you could do calculators, analytics, to-do lists, I don't know, just anything. Just practice it and then add it to your CV. And also, like, it's kinda an important thing, but when you start it, it's kinda not. You need to learn English. Yeah, if you're watching this video, of course, you have pretty good English level, yeah, if you understand me, if you watch this video. I just want to add that English is an international language and all of documentations, all of that solutions that you will find in Stack Overflow or Medium, they wrote on English. 90% of all the information you could have written in English, and when you know English, it's kind of easier for you to understand via documentation, Stack Overflow, Medium. But if you're English bad, it's not a big deal if you're just starting, yeah, because juniors doesn't contact with customers. In most cases, you just connect with your own team, and in most cases they speak on your native language, and you could just use Google Translator for reading documentations or reading some blogs in Medium. Also, the thing that you need to improve is algorithms. I remember in first video I told you that algorithms doesn't matter, but they matter. You need to practice them. You basically can create an account in LeetCode and you could just practice algorithms in there, doing some tasks daily or just once a week at least, yeah, because it's kind of important. Yeah, and when you already know some language, some basic stuff like every trainee should know, you need to go and do interviews. Just go apply to all of the companies. Just don't even think where company you apply, just apply to everything and just practice interviewing. That's how you will learn all of that interview process, and in time when you will be ready, you will be at really good position, I would say, like that, yeah. So guys, that's it for this video. Make sure you watch my previous and last video. See you guys. By the way, do you like my new filtering and this background is kinda look nice, yeah? See you guys.